Hello, welcome back. My name's Matt, this is Matt Ventures. Today we're fitting an exhaust to the KTM. Oh, she's a beauty. What's in the box? The exhaust can itself, rear strap, front strap, a bag of bolts, a spring and a baffle. So, titanium sleeve, carbon end cap, carbon hangers. Model is KTM S015-HZT. Very meaningful. Gonna go and put it on the bike to outside. Right, before I get going, the first thing I'm gonna do is use decibel meter app to see how loud the standard exhaust is. Alright, gonna power it up. Reading about 70 there. Up at the bike it's 75-80. So I think the seat needs to come off, possibly this rear fender, this side panel, and then the two bolts that hold the exhaust to the frame, and spring that attaches the link pipe. Link pipe's just there. Here's a new guy. Let's see if it slides in as well. I'm actually really surprised at how easy that was. What I'm not quite sure about is the angle of that here. I don't know if you can see it very well, but it's not dead straight. Let's take the panels back on and then we'll do the sound test. Alright, are we ready? So the sound was around the 80 mark, much as it was with a standard, but it's just kind of a deeper tone. Nice. Well, there we go. Like it or hate it, you'll tell me.